2 billion. Sleepwalkbillion.com. Listen. My pills say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Keep me brittle as a lunch tray. But I knew I'd be a rock star one day. Fuck rules, why should I play fair? All these record execs got grey hair. They don't know what it means but they want swag. That's why the cool kids don't play there. So wild, so London. Breathe toxic fumes in abundance. At a traffic light scanning her barcode. Really hoping this girl's got substance. Back classic, she's styling it. Dress old but she feels alive in it. And a bracelet looking all antique. So vintage somebody died in it. Bitch.